What is carbon monoxide and why do I need a detector? What is carbon monoxide? Carbon monoxide is an odorless, colorless gas that can cause sudden illness or even death. It is a common byproduct of incomplete combustion when kerosene, petroleum, oil, gas and even wood or charcoal products are burned. Depending upon the concentration of carbon monoxide in your home, you could die in just minutes. What are the major sources of carbon monoxide in your home? Heating systems, gas water heaters, gas stoves, automobiles in the attached garage, grills brought inside during bad weather, kerosene heaters, ventless gas fireplaces, and gas dryers with clogged ductwork. Because carbon monoxide can't be seen or otherwise detected, we need a monitoring device. In July 2011, Governor Arnold Schwarzenegger signed the bill to ensure that all single-family homes in California install carbon monoxide detectors. Landlords of residential rental units will be required to comply with the carbon monoxide detector law by January 1, 2013. It's the responsibility of landlords to make sure devices in rentals for human occupancy are in working order at the time the tenant moves in. It then becomes the responsibility of the tenants to let the landlord know if any of the devices become inoperable. They are relatively inexpensive and can be picked up at stores for under $30. They are similar to smoke detectors in size and appearance and can either be wired in device connected to a system panel or battery operated. The law requires the device to make an audible alarm when carbon monoxide levels are elevated. In circumstances in which a combination of both a smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector are in the same device, there must be a distinct difference in the sound of each alarm. Where to locate the carbon monoxide device in the home? Install carbon monoxide alarms outside each sleeping area and on every level of the home including the basement. The carbon monoxide alarm can warn you if too much carbon monoxide is in your home. The actual alarm, if separate, should be a minimum of 6 inches from exterior walls and 3 feet from supply or return vents. Keep carbon monoxide alarms clear of dust and debris. Ensure carbon monoxide alarms are plugged all the way into a working outlet, or if battery operated, have working batteries. It's always a good idea to make sure you're in compliance with California law relating to carbon monoxide detectors, or better yet, have a professional California appraiser assist you. Lack of functional devices can often lead to fines and also delay closings when a sale of the property is involved. Not to mention, it only makes sense to protect both your home and rental units from possible exposure.